Today, we're going to replace the damaged screen of an OPPO Find X5 Pro. Since it's a frame screen, we only need to transfer the original parts to the new display. Let's go through the process step by step. We start by heating with the Polartec Magic Self-Heating Pad for 10 minutes. Once heated, it's time to remove the back cover. Use a metal pick to create a small gap, then add a bit of alcohol to loosen the adhesive. As the back cover was already removed before, this step is quite easy. If you face resistance while removing, apply some alcohol for assistance. Next, remove the motherboard bracket and disconnect power. There are 10 screws here. Be careful with the flash FPC. Flip it gently to avoid damage. Now, disconnect the battery BTB connector. Slightly bend the BTB to avoid short-circuiting. The loudspeaker assembly has 8 screws. Let's remove them. Here we disconnect the display BTB. Here's the main wide camera with OIS. Disconnect these 3 BTBs, then the subboard can be removed. Remember to take out the SIM tray first. I've already removed mine. Pull the battery tab to safely remove the battery. Next, disconnect the charging port FPC. Here we have the vibration motor. Remove the secondary FPC as well. The motherboard is held by 3 screws. Let's take them out. Take out the front camera and then the motherboard. Don't forget the earpiece. A bit of alcohol makes removal easier. Now we're ready to install the new screen. Insert the motherboard into the frame at a slight angle. Secure it with 3 screws. When installing the charging port FPC, make sure not to press the fingerprint cable underneath. Tilt the subboard into place as well. We reinstalled it properly afterwards. Connect both FPCs and attach them to the frame. The white coaxial cable snaps into place right here. Reinstall all rear cameras. Place the battery, but don't connect the BTB just yet. Don't forget the front camera either. Check carefully if all BTB connectors are locked in place. Now we can install the subboard bracket. The black coaxial cable goes right here on the top. Finally, connect the battery BTB. Before fixing the motherboard bracket, reconnect the flash FPC. Now let's test the screen to make sure display and touch are working. Looks good. Let's fasten all 18 screws. The back cover was broken as well, so we're replacing it with a new one. For better sealing, use clamps to secure it for 2 hours. Now let's check the final result. Perfect. The phone looks just like brand new again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair guides.